My name is Michael. I've had Gutterglove installed for 9 years now and counting. I live in Angwin, California in the beautiful Napa Valley. Angwin has tons of trees, and every year having to clean out the gutters. I had erosion problems, and also I noticed dry rot was really a problem. I looked at many different kinds of gutter, went to the Home and Garden Show. After looking at everything, that Gutterglove was definitely the best thing on the market. This will be the first time in 9 years I've actually looked inside my gutters. 9 years ago, we had Gutterglove installed on our home and our rental home, and we haven't had to do a thing with it since. I almost wish I had more house to put Gutterglove on because it's such great stuff.